I'm going to show you how to fix a missing menu bar on your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So there are some of the steps you can use to fix this. So let's get right into it. Once you open your MacBook, you just need to look down at the dock. Just right here, and you need to find System Settings. So it's right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you're in this option, you just need to find Desktop and Dock. You can manually find it under Control Center, or you can just use the search button to type in Desktop and Dock, and just go ahead and tap here. And once you're here, you have multiple options here, like position on screen, minimizing windows, automatically hiding and showing the dock, and many more. So you just need to find automatically hide and show the menu bar. If you cannot find automatically hide and show the menu bar, then you need to try it with automatically hide and show the dock. So make sure this is turned off. This also helps with the menu bar. So some other thing you can do is restarting your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Just use Control plus Command plus power button if you can't access the Apple menu. So using the shortcut would automatically restart your MacBook, and then that should fix the problem. If that doesn't happen, then you might need to create a new user account. If the menu bar appears in a new user, your original account settings might be corrupted. So just create a new admin user via System Settings and go to this option right here that says Users and Groups. Now just type in or tap on Add Group or Add User and tap on Unlock, and that should do the trick. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you fix menu bar missing in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.